Hello my Leos, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and you guys seem to be hurry. And then from the 21st to the 30th. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. We've got one card. Let's take that. Please can you help us getting messages for the first 10 days for my darlings. Let's see what can we have for you. Okay, so we begin with intensity, guilt, laziness, and creator. So, financially, you guys are going to be super happy. Okay, in case if you feel nothing is working in your favor, behind the scenes, everything is working in your favor. But what is happening is you have a tendency to take a laid back attitude, laziness. It's like, oh, I know, I know it will happen. I have my people who are taking care of it, so on and so forth. So universe is reminding you, why are you being lazy? Laziness can also mean, it's like, getting up from the bed, you keep snoozing the alarm, it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that could be laziness. Laziness can also mean, okay, you've got to make that call, oh yeah, after 2 minutes I can, or right now I don't feel like discussing it with anybody. That is laziness. So you need to shrug off that laziness. You have a tendency to overthink. Why? For what? Okay. So the more you overthink, it's like, your logical brain is confusing you, and it's playing the monkey mind is playing the game. Okay. So signify beautiful beginnings. So life is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. You are caught in your own thought processes, and you are only ruining your game plans. The universe is trying to say, you have got a lot of ego issues, okay, a lot of fear. Release that. Remember, you are unique in your own way. Nobody is comparing you. Why are you comparing yourself? Why are you carrying that blame game? Is it helping you? It isn't. So you need to let go of all these issues. Rest, everything will come to you. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the from the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides. Let's see what can we have for you. We've got 1, 2. Can I have one more? Let's take this. We begin with compromise. We've got comparison, fighting, and outsider. Can you see the guidance itself is in the beginning, which is trying to say, learn to find the midway. You have to compromise, my love. You cannot go along with your ego or with your own tantrums in the mid 10 days. Why? Because the minute you do that, you are going to be felt like an outsider. It's like, you're there, but you're not there. And the reason why you feel like this is because you've got issues. The whole thing belongs to you. It's not to anybody else. Okay, so fighting and comparison. Why are you comparing yourself with someone else? What is it that you still are not happy with? It's in your thought processes. Again, you have still not overcome that. Okay, this is how that fighting game is happening. You feel nothing is working in your favor. Could be an inner child, could be you feel that nobody values you. People do value you, my love. Why get into that zone? So a part of you is saying, oh, let go. A part of you is saying, no, I'm going to take a revenge. That's how the duality is coming. So how do you deal with this in the mid 10 days? When you do good, the good comes back to you. Do a little bit of charity. Thank the beautiful beings of light. Have gratitude. Bless. Okay. If you're good to people, the people are going to be good to you. The minute you come along with some problems and start backbiting, or you start giving them issues, it's going to fire you back. Now the ball is in your court. Okay. Ideally, it can be a good week, but again, as I said, the ball is in your court is what universe is saying. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That's from the 21st to the 30th. Angels and spirit guides. Last 10 days, please. Let's take these two. Let's take this one. We have rebirth, aloneness, silence and past lives. Okay, so what is happening is in the last 10 days, you will have a happy realization that I was wrong. I shouldn't have done this. Why? If you see, the entire read of this month is screaming and saying the problem lies within you. I'm so sorry if it's sounding extremely offensive. Apologies, my darling, but what is happening is we have a full moon, we have a crescent moon. Okay, this is trying to say it's your emotions that is giving you a problem. You are karmically connected. This month is all about karmic relationships. Now for a few, see, your birthdays will start somewhere in July, August, right? So the period before that is something which will bring down all the issues. So it could be on emotional, it could be on finance, it could be on health, it could be on spiritual. But I think over here it's more about your emotional grudges for most of you. That seems to be coming up. For a few, it could be on your finance as well. Okay, I'm not scaring you. But never ever give up. Can you see? That's your sign, right? You are a Leo. So don't ever give up. Music therapy will help. Don't ever give up. There's light at the end of the tunnel. You need to calm down. Why? Because whatever people are saying, you're trying to turn a deaf ear. It's like, okay, don't try to teach me. No, darling, they are there to teach you something which you have been missing. That is a pattern you need to break. Since you've not learned your lesson, universe will keep repeating it. So ideally, if you understand, you have to learn to change, learn to adapt. Don't expect the vice versa. You expect people to change, but this entire read is trying to say it is not them. It is you, my darling. You need to change. Now let's ask the angels, what guidance would they like to give you? Beautiful. It says, shh, listen. Listen to what the people are trying to tell you. Listen to the other side of the coin. Sometimes, because it's a human tendency, physically you're there, mentally you're elsewhere. No. Physically and mentally, be there. Stop having loud music, chaos outside you. There's a lot of chaos inside you. So you need to breathe. If somebody is telling you, understand, it's for your benefit. Nobody is trying to take advantage of you. Why would somebody want to take advantage when you're already broken from within? And everybody knows that. Okay, so learn to listen and take that advice. That will prove beneficial. Now let's come to your love side. We've got one card. Can I just have one or two, please? Let's take these two and let's take this one. Okay, we have healing heart, coffee cup and the grim reaper. So the grim reaper is trying to remind you, if some relationship is over, darling, it is over. You cannot give second chances. You need to transform your life. Now if you really want to know now, see, it's written here. Okay, I'm not saying it. That's what the energy is trying to say. You need to heal your heart. You are, it's like, whatever relationship, toxic or any such addictions, you need to let go. Probably it's high time you need to love yourself. And go out, spend some time. Coffee meetups will make you feel good, will make you feel lighthearted. Ideally, that is what is required for you. Spending time with loved ones will make you feel good. Okay. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Sorry, my love. Okay. Let's see. What can we have for you in this month, universe? Let's take this. Unexpected income. So now if you think you've got finance issues, universe is reminding you, hello, wherever your money has been stuck, it will come to you. You can also expect some bonuses. Okay, so income is there. You're blessed with some art. You've got brains. Make use of that. Money flow will come to you. So how do I sum up this month? Learn to listen. Change. Stop being stubborn. I mean, there's a lot. There's seriously a lot. Because, darling, if you choose to change, you can change. But the minute you start being aggressive, it will bounce back. You've been through enough. Are you sure you want to go through that? No. So, finance is coming. Spiritually, you need to be connected. Emotionally, you can be happy if you let go of that chaos. Health-wise, if you are emotionally happy, your health will be definitely good. Your angels are asking you to listen. It's high time you do that. Other matters of heart, remember, what is gone. Don't run behind it because it's not going to help you. In fact, concentrate on loving yourself, on healing that broken heart of yours. And you've got friends, you've got your well-wishers. Go out, spend time, coffee time, brunch, whatever you feel like. That will make you light-hearted, and stop discussing on those topics, because the more you discuss, you're not venting out, you're just trying to prove that how heartbroken you are. So ideally, stop discussing and start moving ahead, and expect an unexpected income coming your way. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.